Are you using the right cleaner for your tile floors? Dear friends, tile floors are a popular choice for many homeowners due to their durability, elegance, and ease of maintenance. However, keeping them clean requires more than just regular sweeping or mopping. The real question is, are you using the right cleaner for your tile floors? Many people unknowingly use harsh chemical-based cleaners, bleach, or acidic solutions that may give a temporary shine but can cause long-term damage to the tiles and grout. For instance, acidic cleaners can erode the grout lines, while overly soapy solutions leave behind a dull, sticky residue that attracts more dirt. The right cleaner depends on the type of tile you have. Ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, or glazed tiles all require slightly different care. For everyday cleaning, a mild pH-neutral cleaner mixed with warm water is the safest choice as it effectively removes dirt and grime without harming the surface. Natural stone tiles, such as marble or travertine, are particularly sensitive and should never be cleaned with vinegar or lemon juice, as these can permanently etch the surface. Additionally, grout, which is porous and prone to staining, benefits from cleaners specifically designed to penetrate and lift dirt without weakening its structure. Choosing the right cleaner not only preserves the shine and beauty of your floors but also extends their lifespan, saving you from costly repairs or replacements. So, the next time you reach for a cleaning solution, check if it's safe and suitable for your type of tile, because the right cleaner makes all the difference. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.